Square roots are a very tough idea for most kids to figure out unless they can see exactly why they are called squares. The Wonder Number learning system does exactly that and constantly reinforces the concept with color-coded squares throughout the board. Composite numbers that are not perfect squares can only be made into rectangular arrays, not squares.
On the Wonder Number board, we're going to investigate a square number. Now we're going to look at the number 5. The 5 is green. Now we have 5 times 5 equals what? We're going to put that on the board. We have 5 times 1 equals 5, 5 times 2 equals 10, 5 times 3 equals 15, 5 times 4 equals 20, and 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 5 has a perfect square in green written around it. And that shows you that 5 times 5 is 25. We put a viewer on there, we can see that 5 times 5 is 25, and then the array that we built here is 25 chips. On the Wonder Number board, we're going to investigate squares again. This time, we're going to investigate the number 4. 4 times 4 equals what? It equals a perfect square, because if we have 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 4 equals 16, and it has a perfect square written around the number. If we make the array of 4 by 4, we end up with 16 chips. 4 times 4 equals 16.